Alright guys, welcome to a quick little video, Western Sharpies RC. I printed this stand for my TRX4 Bronco and it turned out pretty good, so I thought I'd just share with you the video. Just a file you can get off Thingiverse. You can see it over there. And it's got some basic instructions. Just make sure you print a driver's side and a passenger side because you can kind of see these are two different pieces. So other than that, it bolts together fairly simple. Comes with, or doesn't come with, you got to get your own 3x16 screws, 8 of them. So I'll get it all bolted up and under the Bronco here so you can see what it looks like, but finished really nice. I picked orange PLA, so it's got the cool Traxxas logo printed in there as well. So fun little print. Took me about 10 hours to print all of these pieces, but it looks like it's going to be a nice sturdy stand for the truck. So I'll get it under the Bronco and we'll have a look at it. Alright guys, all bolted together. There it is. Went together nice and easy. And you can kind of see it's fairly sturdy, doesn't have any wobble, so I'm really happy with how it turned out. Cool little piece. So I've got the chassis flipped over, and just keep in mind here these holes are facing forward. So that's the front of the chassis right there. And then you can kind of see. I mean, if you don't get it on your first shot, you'll eventually figure it out. So because it can't go this way. So fits on there nice and snug. A good solid fit. I mean, that's on there. So I'll flip it over and we'll have a final look.